From ball lightning to bioluminescent tides, here are the top 10 natural phenomena that science still can't explain. Number 10. Ball lightning. This is one of the most well-known natural phenomena that scientists haven't been able to explain. If you've ever been to the beach at night, you know that the water has a soft glow to it. This is caused by microscopic organisms called phytoplankton. They use a process called bioluminescence to produce light. 7. Blood rain. 6. El Chicanal. In 1980, a volcano in Mexico erupted. It wasn't the first time that it had erupted, but it was the most violent eruption in recorded history. The volcano is called El Chicanal and it's located near the city of Tuxtla Gutierrez. On March 4, 1980, the volcano erupted with such force that it created a cloud of ash that reached into the stratosphere. They typically form in cold climates and appear to be circles of ice that float on the surface of the water. The circles are usually several feet in diameter and can last for days or even weeks. And make sure to stay tuned for more videos like this. No one is 100% sure how these ice circles form, but it's believed that they occur when the temperature of the water is just below freezing. As the water freezes, it expands and forms these circular shapes. The ash cloud blocked out the sun and caused temperatures around the world to drop by several degrees. It's a display of bright lights that occurs in the sky. The auroras are caused by charged particles from the sun that interact with the Earth's magnetic field. This creates a beautiful show of lights that can last for hours. Auroras are most commonly seen in the northern latitudes, but they have been seen as far south as Florida and Texas. It also caused widespread crop failures and led to the worst famine in modern history. Scientists are still trying to understand the forces that caused this massive eruption. Blood rain is exactly what it sounds like. It's rain that looks like blood. And it's not just a horror movie special effect. Red tides are another example of bioluminescence. In our oceans, the wow signal is one of the most famous unsolved mysteries of the universe. 3. The green flash. The green flash is a rare optical phenomenon that occurs when the sun is setting or rising. It's a brief flash of green light that can last up to several seconds. The green flash is caused by the sun's rays being refracted or bent by the Earth's atmosphere. This separates the colors of light and creates a green flash. The phenomenon is very rare and can only be seen under very specific conditions. It was a radio signal that was picked up by an amateur astronomer named Jerry Emin in 1977. The signal was only 30 seconds long, and it came from the constellation Sagittarius. What made the signal so mysterious was its origin. It didn't seem to come from any known source. To this day, scientists have no idea what the wow signal was. Some believe that it may have been a transmission from an alien civilization, while others believe that it may have been a natural phenomenon. However, unlike the beautiful blue light created by phytoplankton, the red tide is caused by a harmful type of algae. This algae blooms in warm waters and can turn the ocean a bright red color. This is where the name red tide comes from. But red tides are more than just an eyesore. They can also be deadly to marine life. The algae produces a toxin that can paralyze shellfish. This can lead to massive die-offs of fish and other marine animals. It can also make the water unsafe for humans to swim in. In 2001, it was reported in Wales, England, and parts of India. At first, everyone thought that it was some kind of joke, but it quickly became clear that it was a serious natural phenomenon. The blood-colored rain lasted for several days and turned streams and rivers a deep red color. Although scientists still don't know what causes this rare phenomenon, they believe that it may have something to do with pollution. It's basically the same process that fireflies use, but with phytoplankton, it's their defense mechanism. When they're disturbed, they emit a blue light that startles predators. The light also helps them to camouflage themselves against the light of the moon and stars. This makes it harder for predators to spot them. So the next time you're at the beach at night, be sure to look out for this amazing natural phenomenon. There have been hundreds of documented cases of ball lightning. But it was always there and then it just kind of disappeared. 8. Fairy circles. If you've ever walked through a grassy field, you may have noticed circular patches of dead grass. These circles are called fairy rings, and they've been around for centuries. People used to believe that they were made by fairies dancing in the moonlight. But we now know that they're actually made by fungi. The fungus grows in a circular pattern, and as it spreads, it kills the grass. But although we know how they're made, scientists still don't know why. Some believe that they help to disperse the spores of the fungi, while others believe that they help to capture nutrients. It's described as a glowing orb that can be white, blue, or even red in color. These orbs are said to be about the size of a basketball, and they float around slowly, sometimes even entering people's homes through open windows. They were first reported in China back in 660 AD, and although we have no idea what causes them, scientists agree that they do exist. No. 9. Bioluminescent tides. No. 5. Red tides. No. 4. The wow signal. No. 2. Ice circles, just like ball lightning. Ice circles are another strange natural phenomenon that have been reported all over the world. No. 1. The aurora. The aurora is one of the most beautiful natural phenomena on Earth. Thanks for watching. Do you know of any other unexplained natural phenomena? Let us know in the comments below.